Hello guys, Ali here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Popeyes. I had this place recommended to me and I've heard about it and I heard that they do really good food. So now let's get started with the review first. I'm going to start off with the chips. Let's see what they're saying. The chips are nothing special to them. They're not bad, they're not good, but there's nothing special to them. They're alright, I wouldn't mind them, but there's nothing that, like, so special about the chips for me to, like, you know, say, oh, this is so good, or you should definitely get that, if you know what I mean. Give this video a like if you know what I'm saying. Next up is the chicken nuggets. Let's see what this is all about. The nuggets are slightly undercooked, they're lukewarm. There's nothing really good to say about the nuggets. The nuggets, like, is not something I'll get again. This, I would avoid it. Next up is the fried chicken piece. I must say it is quite small, but let's see what it tastes like. The chicken is a bit undercooked, it is dry, there's not that much spice to it. I asked for it to be spicy, it's not even that spicy. I would stay away from this if I were you. Next up is the hot wings. Let's see what they're saying. Yo, these hot wings are nice, they're spicy, it's got a ton of kick to it. Whatever they're doing with the wings, they're doing with the fried chicken piece and the popcorn, they're not doing this with the wings at all. Nowhere near as good as the wings. These wings, I will 100% get that again. And last but not least is the Popeyes chicken fillet burger. It looks really nice, but first things first, I need to just move them out. And let's see what this burger is saying. Yo, this burger is meaty. Look how much meat you get in there. And it's just one fillet, and look, you get so much meat. The burger's not sloppy. Boss man knows how to make his burgers. These burgers, I would 100% get them again. And when the scores flash up on the screen, it's gonna get a very high score. %. Be getting that again. The wings and the burgers are just like on another level. I don't know what's wrong with the fried chicken piece and the nuggets, but the burger and wings is a must try. So guys, this is all I had for today's video, and this time I'm gonna finish off the food. And give you guys my final thoughts.